It's good, chat. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Opening bell opens in 4 minutes. So we gonna see what's to it. What do we have? So we dropped 1,000 points almost. We dropped like what 500 points here on that Friday. Yeah, we dropped about what? Well, that's 600, and then about 830. So about 1,000 points we dropped. So I do expect some type of retracement. I was thinking maybe they want to take it here, but looking at this drop, price may want to retrace or something like that, just a little bit. So we're gonna see what we can work with that today. So we got this bearish fair value gap here, price tapped into. We tapped into it there. We tapped into it right there. Let's see. Is the camera too close to is my face too close, chat? Let me know. Is this good enough, or we got that there. Smooth highs. These kind of look smooth. There. The high of that is at 7.5. That looks kind of smooth right there. That's the buy side. This is from Monday. This is from 8:30 opening. Got the buy side there. Let's see what else we got. Today is Tuesday. We got the midnight open right here with this candle 21.42, 4.25. Got the midnight open there. Okay. 8:30 open would be 446.50. You tap into this bullish fair value gap there. What is that right there? What is that? Oh, that's the sell side we took the sell side from Sunday yesterday. Yeah, we took that yesterday. Okay. $9.30 open. Let's see if we create the first fair value gap. $9.30 open here with this candle. Was there opening range gap? We got the opening range gap here. So price may want to come back into this. Let me see. Do this real quick. Midpoint of this. Why is it like that? Hold on. Something ain't right. There we go. So let's see if we can get back up to this before 10 o'clock. You got the opening range gap. You got the new week opening gap there too. So um, $9.31. We got the first fair value gap here. $9.31. We have that there. Let's see. We'll make this gray. I need to change that up low key. My chart may look a little different because I'm steering away from adding all these lines and stuff like the 9:30, 10. I feel like that's doing too much to my charts, so kind of stepping away from that. This is the London. I already took the London low. London low was here. This was the London low. We swept that here, pre-New York. Got the breaker here, fair value gap here, changing the state, market structure shift here. So let's see if price uses this to go higher, or if we use the first presentation as a catalyst for it to take out these smooth highs up here. Let me do this. So let's see if we continue lower, use the first presentation fair value gap as support and take it higher. We got all this liquidity here, Weston. So let's see if they want to let's see what they want to do. News at 10, not really worried about that. Not too much, but screenshot that just in case. So we tapped into this gap here. So this is kind of important right here. Let me see how they use that inversion fair value gap. What I'm gonna do is I want to keep switching through time frames. This would be my 1 minute. This would be my 1 minute. And this would be my 15-minute electronic. There we go. We got above it, okay. Look how we use that as support. We break higher there. I don't trade the opening range, so if this takes out without me, then that it is what it is. But we got hella time low key, so they may want to use this as a support. We'll see. 15 minutes. Let me do one more for the 1 hour. 1 hour is super important. There we go. Okay. We got the smooth highs here, right? We got the smooth highs. We're below the midnight open. So let's see what we want to do. Higher time frame. This is that low here I was talking about. This would be, but I said we get through it. If it wanted to come lower, I said we get through this with no problem. This is, look at the volatility in this, bro. This is crazy already. This is crazy, right, chat? So we couldn't get above, we couldn't get back above first presentation fair value gap just yet. We did once here, but let's see what happens here. Look at the bodies respecting the lower parameter of this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Look at that. The wicks do the damage, but we stay inside this gap here with the open and close. So let's see. Anybody who tried to take the long here or even here just got stopped out. Let's see what we're gonna do today, chat. I do expect some type of retracement though, so we didn't drop too much for it not to retrace. So it's reasonable to have one. The 15 minute about to open. So I like how we created a gap here. I like how we used this gap. Now we traded into it. Well, now we're about to, okay. We got this little gap here as well too. Being used as an inversion right now, but we'll wait and see. Got a lot going on right now, a lot. You have about 20 minutes until we can get to the opening range. Consequent encroachment, 70% likelihood, so that we can get up there before 10. 70% chance likelihood that we can buy from go long while under the midnight open. So got the inversion fair value gap being used here. First presentation fair value gap being used here as resistance so far. So let's see. What y'all thinking today, chat? We go up or down? look here again. The body stay inside the gap. We just wick outside of it. Let's see what happens during the macro. Macro may give us some type of push higher or lower, but as of right now, we just going back and forth. You got that small tiny gap there as well, price tapped into, but this is the big one, so this one I'm going to focus on more. Order block here. Let me see something really quick. Order block. So let's see how they cheat the consequent encroachment. The mean threshold of the order block, my bad. Mean threshold here, so I want to see if they get there and see how they use it. If they just continue to push it lower, or if you get some type of reaction off of it. But usually when there's fair value, when there's a higher time frame fair value gap like this is on a 1 hour, the 15-minute, and this is technically a 1 hour gap as well too. If price creates a fair value gap from this, that's usually an indication that we could continue lower, but we'll see. Because if that's the case, if we think price is going to go lower, we want to see fair value gaps being created towards that direction. You know what I mean? That makes sense. So small little tiny one, so not really giving. Mean threshold of the order block is there, so I'll just keep it up like that. That's cool, just for the time being. Okay, let's see if we get a reaction. This was crazy. Like, look at this. Crazy work, right? If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like for me, man. Click the like button if you haven't already. Appreciate that. No cap. Alright, mean threshold order block still holding up so far. We just trading inside that bearish fair value gap. So let's see what we gonna do, man. We color outside the lines here. Usually when this happens, this is usually treated as an inversion, but we'll have to wait and see if they want to reclaim it. They may want to reclaim it as a bearish fair value gap. These highs look extremely smooth, so if we can stay under this, here, that'd be super nice by 10 o'clock, and it gives us like some type of scenario to go long. That'd be nice. This could be a draw, but I don't want to see us stay heavy like this because they may want to take it here. So my bias is just like kind of in the air. Yeah, we are bearish, but my daily bias is just kind of in the air right now. Just going based off what price action is showing me. Like I said, higher time frame is bearish, but we're gonna be straight. Just be patient and just wait things out. Oh, what the world was that? Hold on, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like that. Mm. Okay, so we just continue to go lower than it. All right, that was the last line of defense for the mean threshold. Usually, price will get there. If it closes under it, then it'll be it. That'll be it. So, um, next area, next level would be this low here, the sell side from pre-New York. Look how we use this here. We trade inside the bearish fair value gap, stab into the lower portion, the lower end of this gap here, this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, being treated as an inversion here, and we deliver there. That was a good little run right there. Entry there. Stop would have to be here. Quick 2-hour trade. That was solid. That would have been a quick little move. Let's see. Macro is about to come in play. So let's see what they do with the macro. Let's see what they want to do with the macro, man. They want to just continue to take it lower. See what ES did. Oh, okay. ES didn't take that low. Okay, I'm liking this. S&T. We didn't take the low on ES, but we did on NQ. Oh, this is the okay. Yeah, pre-New York low. So let's see if the S&T holds up. Macro is in play now, so we got 10 minutes until I'll begin my hunt. Let's see what we gonna do, man. Let's see. I know one thing, I'm about my money. So it looks like they may want to take it lower. We'll have to wait and see just a few more. Not yet. Oh shit, look what 30 is doing. Happened at 9:30. Weather getting back warm. It's starting to look nice outside. Man. Oh my God, look at this. We just going lower and lower and lower. This is a nice little run here too. Take the short there. $80 pip, 80-point run. Wow. So this is the objective. We're not too far from it. About 280 points away from it. We're not too far from this, so they may want to, like I said, take it there. Oh, let's see. Macros in play now. 3 minutes into the macro. So far, we just delivered lower. So it'd be nice if they came back up and traded inside this gap here and formed like some type of short scenario if that was the case. I do believe that they may want to take it lower after seeing this happen. Those smooth lows were kind of clean though, but we'll see. For you guys being created to the downside, this is what we kind of want to see if we think the market is going to go lower. Open the range gap, we didn't get to it. We have about 5 minutes left. What are the chances we get like some mega candles and touch it? That'd be crazy, wouldn't it? Looking to see how they use this here. Don't want to just continue to make it drive it lower, or if we take it higher. We definitely weak on today though, for sure. This whole entire new week opening gap was traded back into. Dang. Where's the next one? There isn't any more down there. I'm looking at this right here too as well. Go back to that opening. This new week opening gap low, the parameter at 275. 21,275. Let's see if they use that as resistance, if they even get to it. So let's see, man. Let's see. Okay, we kind of got like a retracement coming. 15-minute, 5-minute. 5 minutes looking like you're about to trade back into this gap here. So let's see. Let's see how they treat this here. I'm pretty sure we just tapped into that lower parameter of that new week opening gap. Let me see. Yeah, okay, yeah, we're actually back in that lower quadrant of it. So let's see. Let's see if this acts as an inversion. This is technically a balanced price range. Let me go to the, yeah, here. Let's see how this 2 minute closes. Yeah, so that's balanced there on the 2 minute. Let's see how they use this on the 1 minute. And this inversion here. Intermediate rebalance there. Let's see if they use that as a catalyst to take price higher. Got about 2 minutes left, so we'll see. You also have that little inefficiency there, that bullish fair value gap, if you can see it. Let me zoom in for you guys just a little real quick. That there. So if I wanted to see this used as an inversion, I really wouldn't want them to trade in a lower quadrant of this gap here. So let's see what happens. Just if you would have took the entry here at the intermediate rebalance, as it was kind of happening, your stop would have had to go here maybe for the most part, or below this breakaway gap. This is a small little gap here that they didn't trade into, so let's see what they do. We didn't trade back into that 5 minute, that's cool. So we couldn't get back to the opening range, get consequent encroachment before 10. It's a 70% chance likelihood that we do that every single day, but today's one of the days that we couldn't do it, so it is what it is. We'll see. I want to see if this creates a fair value gap, but they use this as a SIBI. They create a fair value gap, then I'll probably look to go short using half a risk. See if they create a fair value gap. I like how they created that fair value gap. Hopefully it doesn't leave us. I don't want to see price tap into it, and then I'll go short there. I'd target. This would be the first. There. Take some off there. Let's see. Let's see if we can get an entry, man. Time and price is working out, so if price can tap back into this, then I'll go short. Let's see.
Order filled.
I like that there. Stop or go there. We'll go just like that. 11350. Take off 2 at 11350. Go to the 15-minute if it does get there. Let's see if we can get there. Then the final TP would be down there. If anyone's in the chat, could y'all do me a quick favor and remind me? Do I put the buy limit here at 2? Do I put buy limit at 2? I need someone in the chat to react fast for me. Type fast. So if I want to take partials, right? On this Topstep, if it does get here, I would put a buy limit here, right? A buy limit of 2, correct? Okay, appreciate you. So I would go buy limit. This is that breakaway gap, so I'll do that there. 10, yep, all right. We want to put it at on a 15-minute. The low of that is at 11325. So we'll take a partial at 11325. Get rid of that. You could do it by limit or market execution. Okay. I want to see though, hold on, buy limit. Don't I just double click it though? Why is it not working? There you go. Buy limit there. And then we'll do go to the 1 hour. We'll do the last one here. One more buy limit there at so we'll get it there. Just like that. So we're just gonna wait and see, chat. We're gonna wait and see if we can continue to deliver and get some good profits on the day. I appreciate y'all, chat, for that, bro. I really need the help with that. So see if this candle holds. We should remain heavy though after taking the new low of the day. So three minutes into the macros left over with. So let's see. Entry was pretty solid. We should remain heavy here. Looking at this candle here, this green candle high, so we should be good. We're gonna see though, chat. I want to see us remain heavy. I want to start seeing some candles with displacement to the downside. Really don't want us to stick around this area too much. There's nothing showing me that this is bullish, so we should start tanking soon. But we will see, we will see. We didn't already chop too much, I feel like here. I'm gonna move my stop lower. Call it a day. Cause it might be a PM session type move, but we should be delivering lower. I don't really want to see this happening. Tap into that bearish fair value gap one more time. I would want to see us stay heavy. We really shouldn't be doing all this. There's nothing that would indicate, there's nothing indicating to me that we're bullish. Like we're heavy on the day. We should be just going short. Should be selling off. So good way to reduce risk there. So that's good. We okay with that. Let's see. We just sitting here waiting, man. This is crazy. What y'all think, chat? Y'all think we hit my stop loss? Or we go lower? What y'all think? Let me know some, chat. What y'all thinking about, chat? What y'all thinking about? We deliver lower or we just hit my stop? I like this wick. I like how we just wicked inside the gap and we came back towards it. I like that a lot. We gotta get some movement here going soon. I don't know. She's indecisive right now. She's indecisive as hell. Couldn't get my finger off the trigger this morning and got burnt. It happens, bro. Just gotta do a better job of self control, and you'll be all right, bro. But I don't like how we staying here for too long. We should be, we should be going short. Like we shouldn't be staying here. We should just be selling off. So this is what I want to see here. This is nice. I want to see if we can stay heavy just like that. I want to see us stay heavy just like this. It's all good though, bro. You feel me? Just try your best to just stick to your plan, bro. Stick to your plan. 1 or 2 trades a day. If you do take more than 2 trades a day, bro, just three max. Three max. You feel me? You can't really call yourself a trader if you making the same mistakes. You feel me? I know it's easier said than done because I know I make mistakes too, but I don't think we should be blowing our accounts or anything like that nature. I don't think that should be happening. I'm going stops break even there, and I do want to take some off. I do want to take one off low key. I'll do a buy market, right? Market execution. Oh, okay. I do want to take one, but we'll see. Give it a chance. It's all good though, chat, bro. It's all good though, bigs, bro. We good. You feel me? We gotta continue to make those mistakes till it clicks in our head. I took the same short down for the day. Happy trading, my boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is all you really need, low key. But like I said, I think we are heavy on the day. I think that we can go even shorter than this. So we'll see. We got that fair value gap right there. Small, little, tiny inefficiency. So I want to see how it reacts. Hopefully we can go short from it. It'd be better if we leave it open. So I'm willing to take one if we do kind of get back up above. And then, I'm up 444, 390. Kind of want to stay disciplined to the rules though. I want to see some heavy action here now. I want to see price start to move lower now. I set my Topstep settings to 2 trades. That unlocks me out, so it's all good. That includes if I take off one or acting. Okay. Oh, you solid then. That's solid. I thought when you got burnt, I thought you were saying like you blew your account or something like that, but took a loss. That's normal. I like how we left that gap open a little bit right there.
Order filled.
All right, so we took off 2. Now we're gonna trail our stop. Now we're trailing our stop. My stop is here. So we made 432 for the day. That's more than enough. That's low key a blessing. So let's see if we can ride out to the rest. We are up a decent amount for the day. We peaked 50. We're right at 51K. I think my balance was at like 50,300. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'll have to look back at the stream, but yeah, let's see if we can continue to go even lower than this. So I like that there. I like that there. I like how fair value guys have been created to the downside. Lets me know that we are extremely bearish. I want to see us stay heavy and take out that low. So we caught the entry up here. If we looking at how many points that was, we got the entry directly there. About 140 points. That's pretty solid. 20675 has been my bearish target for weeks now. That's nice. So Austin, would you go? Did you go short or long? Did you take the short or long? Let me know. Let me know. What'd you take today? If y'all new to the stream, make sure y'all leave a like for me, man. Leave a like. I would definitely appreciate that. I would definitely appreciate that if y'all click that like button for me. I'm close to 450 subs, so I think we can hit it for sure. I think we can hit it by the end of the month. We got 5 days left. Can we do that, chat? Y'all think? We'll see. Don't want to leave too much profit in play. 317. Be good though. I ain't gonna worry about that one candle. A long day, low probability inversion failure gap with an S&T out of the 1 hour gap. We're just looking to target the Asia high. You went long. Move my stop there. In case it wants to get back up there, we'll be good. Lock a little bit more profit in. You know what has helped me over these last 2 weeks, Austin? Like on some real shit, bro. Like most of our setups, bro, we need to kind of really be paying attention to to time, bro. So like the macros when they're delivering stuff like that, that's what's kind of most important. I feel like that's important. We should be paying attention to those. So that's what I put in my journal over the week, trying to stay focused and frame my setups around time. Once you have that down packed time and price, then I feel like a lot of things would be more easier. It just makes more sense when I look back at my setups and everything, and I'm looking at time around like what around that 9:50, that 10:10 mark, around 10:15, a good setup usually happens, and then around like 10:45 going into that 10:50, that lunch macro usually happens. So in the morning session, try to really frame my trades around that. I feel like that would help a lot. And the PM session is just complete. It's just way easier. Like even ICT said it, bro. The PM session is extremely easier. So there's no kind of no point of we'll see. I want to see if this treated as an inversion here. I wouldn't want to long that. So they can close through that with a solid closure. That'd be nice. But yeah, bro. Try to really. That's what has helped me a lot. Try to really focus your trades on time and price. I mean on time, and then price should be doing whatever you expect it to do, and you got time um, helping that scenario. You feel me? One minute candle closure, I like that. Move my stopper just a little bit more now. How many points would this be? That'd be an extra. That'd be an extra 90 points for the most part. We can get there. I like how we closed. So let's see how we use it here. Let's see if we can use it, take it lower, or if we just hit my stop, call it a day. I'll be good with that. We gonna see chat. We gonna see chat. It's still pretty early too. It's only 9:26, 10:26, New York time. We're still pretty early. So I'm looking at this gap here. Let's see. I want to see if this holds. If not, then we'll take the stop and profit. What this inversion is like the last line of defense basically. I want to see if we can get lower than that. If we get lower than that, and that'd be nice. I like how we kind of forming a swing high. So let's see if that actually creates a swing high. I want to see us create a swing high, and then I want to see us get below this low here. If we could do that, then I'll move my stop a little bit more in profit. See how this fourth candle happens. One, two, three candle pattern that swing high. Let's see how this fourth candle. If we can close bearish, that's good enough for me, low key. So far, the inversion for value gap is holding up because why would you even want to be buying this anyway? There would be no point of buying this gap after seeing this huge drop. I hope no one would buy this. Okay, I like that. I'll take that. I'm okay with that. Just locking in profits, taking partials. So, pretty nice. The high of today is supposed to be 62 degrees. That's not bad, bro. 62 degrees. That's not bad at all. I'm definitely gonna wash my car. No cap, no cap, no cap. We tap back into that inversion one more time. As you can see, we did there. So let's see if that holds up. Let's see. Did anybody take this trade, chat? Did anybody get in this short here? I like that there. I want to see if we can break lower, create another swing high. I like that. If we can get past this low, I'll lock in even more profits. But did anybody take this trade, chat? Other than what's his name? Hold on. Other than Upmost. So still looking at this inversion. We need to stay looking at this price action here now. I do believe price will probably just run this out. Maybe, but maybe. It doesn't have to happen, but like I said yesterday, when you see scenarios like this, the market going all, it's all moving slow and jagged like this to the downside. Like this was just consolidation, but this right here, market is clearly going down, but it's going down all slow and jagged. Price should stay. We want to see price stay on the lower end of this gap, the lower end. So, let me see real quick. Looking at this here. So yeah, want to see price stay in the lower quadrant just like that. Continue to the downside. Price breaks this low, then I'll move my stop right there. Just like that. I want to see price just stay in that portion there. Like that, because we don't want to see price come back into this. So if it does, then we'll walk away and call it a day and take our profits, and that'll be nice. So let's see. $80.50. I want to see it stay in the lower end of that gap. If it trades to the upper portion, that means it's over with. That means we're likely to have some type of retracement higher. That's what it would mean to me, at least.
Order filled.
All right, that'll be it, man. That's a good day. Banked in 700, so I'm grateful. I'll take that and call it a day, chat. No cap. That was a really good trade right there. Really good trade scenario. No cap. Let me see. That's all we need, chat. That's all we need. This was from I got in at 221.75. 221.75. Right inside the fair value gap. Right there. So we banked in we banked almost 140 points today. That's nice. I'm glad y'all, bro. I'm so glad y'all put me on to taking partials too, chat, bro. In my Discord. Helped me out so much, bro, taking partials. So that was a good trade. That was a good trade. We got in. We took the entry here. We took the entry here. Right inside that gap. Short. We went short at 21.75. My stop was, at first it was here. After realizing this was a breakaway gap, moved it there. So we banked in about to that candle there. So a 3R trade today. 3R trade. That's nice. That's nice. The objective was here. This would have made it a 6R trade. But we're gonna take that for today. No need for me to trade the PM session, chat. Time is it? 10:37. So now I don't know. I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat. Pretty solid. Left that open. So realistically, I'm looking at this. In the future, Okay, this was a good trade here, but I think it would have been a little bit better if I would have got it in here. Um, after seeing after seeing this candle here, so we traded to the gap, right? We traded into the gap, through the gap, back to the gap, through the gap. We displace. This is the signature here. This is the signature right here to let us know we're going to continue to go lower. You feel me? Then you can go short here. I'm gonna screenshot this definitely for more conviction next time. But this was the signature here when price closed back below this bearish value gap here. Then I seen this displacement here past that low, retracement into the gap. The old me would have took this trade and would have seen the consolidation and would have closed it. That's just how I had my rules back then. But I realized back then and stuff like that. Like a lot of times I would close my trades and price would hit my TP. I would be right on the direction. So as I'm gaining more experience and getting a little bit better each and every day, um, a lot of stuff just starting to make sense now. We had time on our side with this, so we had price action. So we had price action showing us the bear signatures, and what else do we have? We had time on our side. We had the macro on our side right here. Even though we didn't deliver lower during the macro, but we still had we still had the macro timing on our side to just for a scenario to take price lower. So pretty decent trade. Um, that'll probably be it, chat, man. That'll probably be it. Now I gotta go figure out what to do with the rest of my day. Um, so we gonna see. They may still want to bring it a little lower. You got this 5 minute gap there. So we gonna see. You can look at this gap right here. Let's see how they use this 1 minute gap. See if they use it as an inversion, if they go higher from it. So this may be something worth taking. Maybe. No, we're already kind of too low into the range. Now let's the target would be just these lows here. We got the run-on stops here. Higher time frame fair value gap we traded into here. Inversion. So if it taps it again, that may be a solid scenario. Maybe. If we get a solid closure, we got to see price close bearish outside of this gap. Because if not, they just run it higher. Kind of got this breaker right here. Got this breaker here, so let's see how they use that as well. Oh no, not a breaker. Mitigation block. My bad. Mitigation block. If we would have broke this low, then it would have been a breaker block. So let's see. All right, that's it, chat, man. I'm gonna go here in the stream. I appreciate everybody who stopped by. You feel me? Watch me catch some decent trade. Um, I'll see you guys tomorrow.